The fourth time that the men have raced here in Yokohama. And as they go into the water, just over 17 degrees in the water, about 20 plus in the air. It is damp and rain out on the course. First time that we have seen Johnny Brownlee since 2012 when he raced at the Grand Final in Auckland. And out of the water first, the Canadian Andrew McCartney with an outstanding swim. Here comes Brownlee. He was on his feet very close. The Russians in there, Denis and Ivan Vasilyev as well, very tightly bunched. And as you can see, trying to get the helmet on. It has been a long time away from the sport for Johnny Brownlee, who had a bit of an ankle injury, lost about 2 months. And it looks like a group of about 7 or 8 athletes have made that initial break. Benjamin Shaw in there racing under the ITU colors. We have 8 different men from 8 different countries, including the young South African just there at the back. That man was one of the world junior athletes. And as you can see, Silva is into that bunch and Gomez as well. So the 3 big names that we would have anticipated, Gomez, Brownlee, and Silva. That is Shaw up front pushing the pace, and they're going to have about a 30 plus, maybe 40-second gap back to the likes of Bailey and Bowden. And as they come off the bike, the big question is how far back is Richard Murray? He's actually in the second chase pack, so about 90 seconds down, almost 2 minutes. Brownlee, it has been a long time since he has been in a run in a triathlon. Will he have the legs? Silva's had 2 silver medals already. Gomez has had a victory already in the WTS series, but his last race, a bit of an illness. And as a group of 8 head out to start this 4-lap run, we'll see just how much farther back the chase athletes are. And look, it is a battle already by the 3 big stars that we had anticipated. Brownlee and Gomez head-to-head. Silva falling off the pace now pretty quickly. The rain still coming down. This is a Brownlee kind of day. The dampness out there. He's trained in these kinds of conditions. There's Silva, the man who's won the last 2 consecutive races here. And amazingly, Vasilyev is sitting in 4th after having done a half Ironman race just a week ago. But Brownlee is finding the legs, the same legs that his brother found just a few weeks ago in San Diego, and he is going to rip up this course, having time to celebrate. It's going to be about 29 minutes and 25 seconds in celebration time. Unbelievable. A big victory back right there for young Mr. Johnny Brownlee. What a phenomenal day. You can see the mud on his face coming up off of the bike and the wheels. There is Gomez right now crossing the line, his second time on the podium in 2013. He'll be doing a half Ironman race against Chris McCormack coming up next weekend. There's Silva, his 3rd consecutive bronze medal. He won't get the three-peat today, but a brilliant 29-minute and change run for Johnny Brownlee as he claims victory here in Yokohama.
So honestly, I don't know. I've literally only trained for 2 weeks of running, and the start of the year I got told I wouldn't be racing all the season, so I don't know, I got a bit emotional towards the end there, because literally I thought I wasn't going to be here at all, I thought the season was over 2 months ago, and now to be back here again is it's weird. I don't know where that came from, but I felt pretty good.